5 to go. We are at the Great American RV Show in Colorado Springs, and we were invited here by them to come check out the show, so thank you guys very much. And we also had a couple tickets to give away to some of our followers. Yay. So they will be coming here and enjoying the show after us.
Thank you for the flowers, Ben.
We have Ben in tow. The girls are in school, which is nice.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go check out as many RVs as we can. We are focusing on motorhomes because we are actively shopping for one.
And specifically Class C's.
Yeah, we'll get more into that. There's a lot of Class C's and Class A's in our price range. We've been hearing some things about Class A's, but that's for another episode. So we're gonna go ahead and walk in here and start checking things out. We see a couple drivables back here behind us, and then there's an event center down the hill with some food and some more inside. So we're gonna go check it all out.
Yeah. Come along. This is the first one we're gonna go in. It's a Coachmen Freelander 2020.
21 QB. Ton of storage out here. I'm guessing the bed is up here. Show price is $60.
Yeah.
Brand new. Interesting.
This is very different than what we've seen.
Yeah, so we've got the cab over area.
Yep.
It's nice and open with a TV on an arm. It's got a Chevy front end. So 350 pounds up front, which is plenty.
Huge dinette.
Yeah, this is... Let me back up. Back up into the cab here. So this dinette is massive.
Yeah.
And curvy. That's interesting. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Kitchen's very small.
I don't know if we could fit both of the car seats there. Though we might have to just get Brooke a booster. She does meet the weight and height for just a booster.
Yeah. And then the queen is just on the side
it's
here.
It's very tall. Ben can't get up into it. The bathroom is bigger than I thought it would be. It's not big, but it's bigger than I thought it would be.
Some big cabinets here.
Yeah.
Oh, that feels terrible.
Yeah, they're very...
This is very, very flimsy.
Very cheap. This is not grand design. Ooh, and they put the screw in right here and it like busted the edge of the cabinet.
Oh yeah.
Those are the kind of things you want to look for when you buy something new.
And then, yep, so an AC unit right up here in the middle, cabinets across the top here.
I kind of like how it's all
small little
super
kitchen.
compact.
Yeah. I mean, it's only 24 feet.
Yeah.
So there's the ton of storage under the bed outside.
Well,
so
and above it too.
Yeah, but there's plenty of room for stuff.
Yep.
What do we got? A Winnebago Spirit 25B.
Okay.
No slides. Looks like the same.
Oh, this is nice.
Similar layout. Oh, so okay, so we're coming in farther back.
Yes.
So it is a bunk over, or a cab over. Got a dinette and a couch. And then decent little kitchen. And then it looks like a queen-ish size because it is cut on the corner.
I don't even know
here.
if it's a queen across.
Cabinet.
But it could do.
Yeah.
That's the bathroom.
But everything feels nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty much exactly the same layout, it's just the doors farther back.
Well, I mean, the kitchen is on a different side.
Yeah, and I did not like that big weird dinette.
I didn't like that either.
Yeah, I would much rather have something.
I like having the space.
Versatile.
Ben, you need to be on your bottom.
So big cabinet. Oh, there's not a lot of cabinets. So we got the big one up here, big double one up here.
Do you need help getting down, bud?
And then, so over the kitchen, and then just kind of the stack right here. Oh, and there's a big one up there.
Yeah, there's
Just,
cabinetry.
you just have to crawl to it.
Got the corner back.
So that's a Ford
You could
front
watch a
end.
movie up there. You and Brookie and Tara.
Yeah, that's a nice big space.
And it has
Oh my
a...
gosh, that thing's huge.
Yeah, it's really large up here.
Yeah, all three we could put 4 or 5 kids up there.
Leave that alone. Thank you. Then, goodbye.
Good night, Ben.
Night. Big boo. Cutie boy.
It isn't
Put your
bad.
car seat right there.
Especially for not having any slides, it feels
Yeah, it doesn't feel
fine.
too cramped. That's true. This one's big. This one's
Okay,
very
so
tall.
Porto?
Yeah, look how much taller this one is.
It is tall. What is... Oh, it's Winnebago. Winnebago Porto 24F.
One slide.
One slide. Alright, so we're coming in forward.
I do miss having the couch.
Yeah.
The one we just went in
Yeah.
was smaller, but it had a couch.
Yeah, and it didn't even have a slide. So this one just has the dinette. And then the sink is kind of out.
It's a little bit more space in the kitchen.
Yeah, more kitchen
Like a
space.
pantry space here.
Is this taller, or is it just on the
taller.
hill?
No, it's taller.
Is it? Okay. I actually don't hate having the vanity here.
Yeah.
This one's got more storage up around the other edge here.
I don't know that I like this layout.
Yeah, I think I liked the other one better.
Yeah, I do like the other one better. Okay, let's go look at the
So
next
this one's a
one.
Mercedes chassis, so it'll be a little bit more expensive up front and service. Comes with a box of show decorations. All right, buddy, let's go. So the other one was a 24F. This is a 24P.
This is different.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so cab over. Mercedes cab, it's kind of the same. Oh, okay, so the bed is sideways. Oh, so it's actually a super slide for this length.
Yes.
So the dinette, the fridge and cabinets and the bed all slide out that way, leaving more room over here. It's a strange little corner bathroom. And then we got some cabinets, kitchen, plenty of cabinetry. So the kitchen looks almost exactly the same as the last one. It's just everything here back is
How does
different.
the slide work in the back?
It's all one slide, sweetheart.
Where does it go?
Over top.
But it's a full slide here. Is it just a half slide back there?
There are channels here, it looks like. Or no, it's not full all the way. I can see there's a little gap right here.
So it's like a full slide here and then it comes backwards?
Yeah, because this trim is only half tall.
Okay.
So it's a super slide, but there's like a notch here. Because I'm assuming there's storage or tanks or something under there. I want to.
What would you put there, Ben?
I want to see the other side. I want to see the slide on the outside. Huh.
Interesting.
I'm going to squeeze over there and check that out.
Okay.
There we go. So this is the outside. So yeah, that's a kind of a funny slide. Huh. And then there's access here to something. There's a couple bays down below. And you see the cab over up there. And it also has a slide topper. So, strange little notched slide out. Okay, we've got some copyrighted music playing, so I'm going to be really loud. This is a Winnebago Spirit 22M Go. Go, go, copyrighted music.
Going.
Okay. Cab over. Tiny little dinette, so no slide.
There is a slide.
There is.
It's back here.
Oh, it's just the bed.
Yeah, it's just the bed.
Okay. Gotcha. Huh.
It's nice.
So this is kind of,
Cool.
it's kind of like in between the last two. So this is the bathroom here.
Oh, okay. I didn't see it. I was like, why is there just a wall?
It's just a wall. It's for the outside. So there's a ledge up here, some storage here. Well, a lot of storage here. Wow. Okay, so this is kind of in between the last two. One had the full slide, one had nothing. This has half of that.
Yep.
Huh.
It is tight in here, but just right in here. No, actually, you know what it says? It
So
says
Ford front
step.
end, more show
There's a
decorations.
step there.
Huh. Yeah, this isn't too bad.
Yeah.
I do like the Winnebago like materials and the colors that they use. Like it's not super bright, but it's also not dark.
Right.
It's kind of
It's warm for
it's
sure.
it's like older IKEA kind of
It is
color.
like older.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are pretty deep actually.
Yeah.
I don't know. And I can reach all the way back. Not up top, but
It's the kitchen. What are you doing in the kitchen?
I know I'm doing.
Get out of the kitchen. So these are nice.
These are
I mean, we
nice.
know that Winnebago. Yes, they make nice
Winnebago
coaches.
makes nice things. The price was a lot lower than I thought it would be on this one.
This has a Ford front end.
Oh.
This is one type of RV we did not cover in our first episode of RVing for Newbies, talking about styles. This is a hybrid. So this is a travel trailer, but the beds are these canvasy areas that like flip out. So there's one up there, it's huge. And then there's another one here going out the side, and another one going out the back. This is pretty neat. And this is canvas. I can move it. But we are in full sun, and this is actually cool to the touch. So I don't know what kind of material that is, but it's pretty impressive.
We've never been in one of these before.
No.
This is really kind of
Yeah,
neat.
so there's a dinette and a little couch there. There's a fridge here, a little kitchen, and then a bathroom. So you really save a lot of space because your beds are like in the walls and they just fall out and get bigger. So let me look at the sticker. This is a KZ of some sort. A KZ Escape E180RBT. You can see the layout here. Very, very interesting. This cannot weigh very much. Oh, so here we go. So unloaded we're 3280, cargo is 1220, so it's about 3,500 pounds.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Not too bad. And right across the way we have another Winnebago, a Spirit 31K. This is an E450. This one is really long, but it's also a lot cheaper than those first two because those were Mercedes chassis. So let's go ahead and look at the floor plan here. It looks like we have a full master in the back, a dinette, couch, and a cab over.
No. That's not what we're
cab
doing.
over, so we've got the couch here, dinette over here. Oh, it's a big kitchen.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of counter space.
Whoa.
And then we've got a solid door here before the bathroom. And then, is that a flippy door?
It's
Is
not.
it doesn't latch up there?
I don't think so.
No. So, bedroom here. This has a ton of room. A lot of room to move around the sides. This is a full-size queen too. And I got plenty of cabinets up and around, little shelves on the side like for my CPAP. And then bathroom is here in the middle.
It says step.
And then just a bathroom. Next up we have a Spirit with a little outdoor kitchen.
Yeah.
And it has a table that folds into there.
Nice.
Huh. This is a Spirit 31G. So a little more expensive than the last one.
I feel like we've looked at the yeah, we've looked at this one before because this one has bunks in it.
Oh, this has the super slide. Oh,
This is the one with
okay. Yep.
So the door is further back,
Yep.
but you get the couch and the dinette.
That one, it does seem deeper. This one's the cab over seems deeper.
Okay. I thought that was.
So we have seen, yeah, so TV is over top of the dinette.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a super slide. So we've got the kitchen coming out at an angle here. Fridge and storage over here. Yeah, we've looked at this.
Mm-hmm.
So the bathroom's over here on the left with a door front and back. And then it's got bunks in the middle. So really it has too much sleeping space. We don't
Yeah.
we don't need that many beds. There's no mattress up there, buddy.
But if we found an older one that had this layout, I wouldn't be opposed to it. Because sometimes Tara needs her own space.
Yeah, but the bunks for the length, I'd rather be shorter. And then the sideways bed. Again, this looks like a full-size queen.
Yes, but you have space to put your CPAP.
Yeah, nice big shelves.
The AC is cold.
Yes, it is.
Oh my goodness, it feels good.
And then this
all
is
these
still,
windows.
yeah, this is still the slide. So it is a super slide. So it goes all the way back here. So you wouldn't be able to get in there.
Access to this.
Well, you could get that one open.
You'd have to come
crawled off
through
the bed.
you'd have to come through the bathroom.
Yeah.
To get back in here.
Yep. Interesting. So you could definitely access this bathroom with the slide closed. So a lot of people have been complaining for a long time about the color of the interiors of the RVs. They tend to be big and dark and heavy, lots of dark woods and black leather and, you know, very luxurious feels. I just walked through this one and I want to show this to you guys. I know we're here looking at Class C's and Class A's, and this is a travel trailer. But check out the colors in here, because we have a lot of people asking, even us, if we see lighter colored trailers. So this is a 2020 Evoke B. And look at this. Look at this. It's white and chrome and gray. The countertops is just this big piece of white countertop. All sorts of very light colors. All the fabrics are like a light tan with white piping and white stitching. And then even, let me flip you around here, even into the bathroom, we've still got the white and this kind of gray side. And then up into the front bedroom, obviously you can put whatever bedding you want on here, but it comes with like a white and cream comforter, not one of those funky looking RV like stitched units. And then it's got a little bit gray back there accent colors. But look at this, it's all white. And then there's a lot of colored lighting. It's like pink and purple. And then a door back out to the hallway. So more of the colored lighting under the dinette here. This is a much brighter trailer. I mean, I know all the lights are on and all the windows are open, but all these colors are very bright. They have little lights as accents in a lot of places. This is a cool little unit. So this is Evoke by Travel Lite RV. And it looks like they have like 4 different models of this thing. Pretty cool. So there's a bounce house here, so sorry about the noise. This is the outside.
Wow.
Look at this. It's basically all white with a little bit of black accent. Wow. It's even the wheels are black. So they are very conscious about what people have been asking for. You know, they don't want big and chrome and tan and swoops and all that whole thing. This is a very like put together looking trailer. Now we know absolutely nothing about Travel Lite RV in terms of quality or warranty or anything like that, but on looks alone, it's a pretty nice unit.
You said it's like this one, but
like
it has
this one?
the bunks in the back.
Okay, so there is one of these Evokes that has bunks in it if you're interested. The sales rep also said that the outside is gel coated like a boat, and the flooring is a marine grade flooring, so the entire thing is water resistant. So very cool, very cool.
Have to keep our eye out on those.
Yeah, and then we got these old school Shastas.
These are swanky.
All right, these are fancy. So this one's 135.
Yep.
What is it, a Vienna?
And it has very glossy wood.
Oh my. So it's a Renegade Vienna.
Look, the children can climb in through here to sleep above.
Yeah, so no beds in a cab over. Nothing about this says children.
No. This is much fancier than...
Yep. It's a very similar layout to ones we've seen though, just without the cab over.
Yep.
And a Mercedes.
Let's go.
Mercedes front, of course.
Let's go out this way. This one is not for kids.
So shiny.
That's fun.
Hey, yeah, we had a lot of fun. Lots of RVs here. Not exactly a huge show.
Not a huge show, but we've been to shows like Hershey and Tampa. And,
yeah, and Hershey's actually going on right now, but it's kind of on the other side of the country. So I know a lot of people we know are there having fun right now. This is definitely a smaller show, and we had a chance to talk to the PR person who invited us, and she said that there are definitely larger shows in this area just at different times of the year, because we're kind of at the end of the season. New models are starting to come in, but a lot of the dealers are really focused on getting things off the lot so they have room for the new models.
Right.
So we will keep coming to shows in this area. We're actually going to come back to this one on Saturday. Yep. Because they have some kids stuff going on.
If you saw anything while we were walking around and you were like, hey, I'd really love to see what that one looks like, tell us in the comments below and we will take your suggestions.
Yeah, we'll go check it out. We know the girls like going in RVs, but we had the opportunity to come here without them. Yes. Which has been very nice because Ben behaves himself pretty well.
Ben is amazing when he's an only child.
Yeah, unfortunately he's number 3. Yep. So, but anyway, we're gonna head out, find some food, and enjoy a couple more hours with just Ben. Yep. Because he loves that as much as we do. So we will see you guys in the next episode, and we will take you out of this episode with a beautiful view of the Front Range. We love it here.
It's our view every day.